What's up, YouTube? This is Ryan Hildreth, and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin hitting the $10,000 mark on a South Korean exchange, what we should do going forward, and my price predictions for Bitcoin for 2018. But before we get into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because I give away free Bitcoin every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. In fact, I'm going to give away Bitcoin right now, today, at the beginning of this video, before we get into the Bitcoin strategy going forward. So let's go ahead and do this giveaway. I'm going to generate a random comment from my last video. For anyone that commented their wallet address, I'll be able to send them the free Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and do this. We had 680 commenters on the last video, and the random winner is Ice Whacker. He said, "Should I move 10% of my Bitcoin to Ethereum?" Ice Whacker, I wouldn't move 10% to Ethereum. I would move maybe 5%. Bitcoin is number one. I think there's a lot of momentum going into Bitcoin right now. Should you take some profits? If you want to take a little bit of profits, maybe 5% profits, and then put 5% into Ethereum, I think that would be your best bet. So let me go ahead and copy your wallet address into my Coinbase account so I could send you your Bitcoin right now. Let's go ahead and do this. 0.005 Bitcoin goes to Ice Whacker. That's about 47.9 US dollars. Continue. I'm going to put in that two-factor, and you should all have two-factor on your accounts. Confirm. All right, congrats on your Bitcoin giveaway. Make sure if you want to participate in the next Bitcoin giveaway, comment down below. But let's go ahead and get into this. What should the strategy be going forward? We hit, 10,000 on a South Korean exchange. We haven't hit 10,000 on Coinbase or, any US-based exchanges yet, but, we could be hitting that quite soon. If we look over here at the chart, this is the Bithumb exchange. We hit 9,700, and we're kind of chilling on this level right here. And if we look at some past price levels, we can see we were trading around 8,000 to 8,200. That was a good price level that we built a base from and then just exploded up. But if we add a simple Fibonacci retracement, I'm going to add one right now. We're going to take the previous lows and the new highs. We can kind of get a price levels that Bitcoin might be trading at. As you can see, if we come down from here, we could be trading around 87.55. That's going to be my first mark to get, start buying into Bitcoin. And then this 81.50 level would be, another mark to where we can, add up a little bit more onto our position. But I probably see, I see Bitcoin, reaching 10K on these other exchanges within the next 48 hours. So, where do we go from there? Bitcoin is probably going to have a small pullback. This is quite a run up. We're definitely overextended on the RSI. We're coming back down now. The MACD, we're just, super bullish, but there has to be some steam, right? There's so much momentum upward. The market needs a break. It needs some time to recharge, and there will be some profit taking in the near future. So, it's a good time to get your ducks in a row and start looking at entry levels. And if you have to rewind this video and take a look at these entry levels on where to get into Bitcoin, 81.50, 8,000 would be an optimal level to get in to, add more to your position. If we come below 8,000, I'm definitely adding a lot down here. If we hit 7,600, adding a ton down there. But for now, I'm not buying any more Bitcoin. I'm actually, I'm not going to take any profits at this point. If you want to take small amounts of profits at this point, depending on your strategy, you can. But for me, I'm holding Bitcoin for the long run. My price prediction for 2018, since we went up this year about 1,200%, I definitely think that we can go up an easy 200% next year. That's not too much to ask from Bitcoin. So I'm going to say that my price prediction for 2018 is 40,000, 40K easily. That's a very, very, very conservative prediction as well. Just looking at, the performance of Bitcoin this year, 1,200% run up. I mean, you don't get those kinds of returns anywhere. And I still think we're in infancy stage of Bitcoin as far as being mass adopted. Okay. If you were to ask people on the street, 10 people on the street, if they invest in Bitcoin, I guarantee that probably 9 out of 10 would say no. Maybe 3 of them would say they've heard of Bitcoin, and the rest would say they don't even know what Bitcoin is. So, it's not even into mass adoption stage. So if you're watching this video, just know that you are very, you are very lucky to be in a community of like-minded individuals that want to better their financial future and get invested into something that has great potential. So if you're not invested yet, don't worry. There's plenty of time to start right now and invest $10 into Coinbase, and just start small if you have to, if you don't have that much money to set aside. But so price prediction for next year, 40K. That's a conservative prediction. I would say 150,000 would be a more loftier goal, but we'll see where we go from here on out. I didn't think we'd hit 10K this soon. I thought it was going to be maybe by December 31st, but we hit 10K on a South Korean exchange today, and it is November 27th. So going forward, what are my plans? Well, knowing that there's so much flow into Bitcoin, I think that a lot of these altcoins are going to get some love. And basically what I want to do going forward, not only for my YouTube channel, but for the Bitcoin Mastery course, I want to document my journey and build a mid to large cap portfolio. Okay, so basically I'm going to build a mid to large cap portfolio first. Then I'm going to do a small cap why can't I talk today? A small cap portfolio with all altcoins. Okay, so basically what mid to large cap is going to be, it's going to be anything with a market cap of 2 billion and above. Okay, so my first portfolio, which I'm going to let you guys choose the last coin. I need some help from you guys. So I want you to comment with your wallet address down below which is the coin that you want to see in my portfolio. Okay, and basically this is going to be a 5-year portfolio. I'm not going to touch this money. I'm only going to add more to my position. I'm going to start off with $5,000, and I'm going to allocate 1,000 into each coin. So the first portfolio is going to be a mid to large cap. We'll get into the small cap later on, but the mid to large cap is going to be, basically it's going to be Ethereum. Okay, that's going to be one of the coins. Ripple, so that'll be 2. Dash, Litecoin, and I want you to choose the 5th coin for me. Okay, whether it has to be 2 billion and above, so it could be anything above Ethereum Classic. It could be Monero, Neo, IOTA. If you want me to do BGold or Bcash, it could be one of those as well, but I really don't want to do BGold or Bcash, but it's up to you guys. I'm leaving it up to you. So the choices are between Ethereum Classic, Monero, Neo, IOTA, or the BGold or Bitcoin Cash. It's up to you. I want you to comment down below what what 5th coin you'd like to see in my fund, and I'm going to be updating you guys every single day in my Exodus wallet. I haven't transferred anything into here, but the reason why I like Exodus is because it's a really nice wallet, really nice platform, and it accepts so many coins. Okay, and you're going to be able to see my portfolio. Okay, so going forward, we're going to first create a mid to large cap portfolio together. I'm going to invest 5,000 with you guys, so you guys get to choose what coin you want in there. And then there's basically going to be 5 coins in the mid to large cap portfolio. Then I'm going to do a small cap, and we're probably going to do some coins down here, maybe some new ICOs, anything you want to see down here, and I'm going to let you guys choose those as well. So it's going to be fun, it's going to be fun. It's going to be good going forward. I'm going to be able to show you, kind of track my journey, and I'm not going to touch this money. Even if the coin goes down 50 to 70%, I'm going to keep it because I just want it to be kind of a source of data for everyone to see. So it's going to be fun. If you guys haven't joined the Bitcoin Mastery course, I highly recommend getting in. We have over 100 members. There's 76 current members in the private Facebook group where I go live every single week. We talk about the markets. We talk about strategy. We talk about marketing strategy for your crypto brand. I show you my advertisements that I'm currently running. I share my funnels with you in the course. So if you want to get that, the link will be down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Take care.